The frequency table shows the weight in kilograms of some cats. We need to complete the cumulative frequency table. So between 0 and 1 kilogram, there are 8 cats. Between 0 and 2 kilograms, there is 8 plus 10 cats. Between 0 and 3 kilograms, there is 8 plus 10 plus 21 cats. Between 0 and 4, there is 8 plus 10 plus 21 plus 19 cats. Between 0 and 5, we need to add the 13. And then between 0 and 6, we now need to add the 9 as well. So there are 80 cats altogether. Part B of this question says that we need to draw a cumulative frequency graph for this information. When we're drawing a cumulative frequency graph, we're always using the end points to plot at. So the first point I'm going to plot is 1, 8. And then 2, 18. Then 3 and 39. Then 4 and 58. Then 5 and 71. And then 6 and 80. And then we're going to draw a curve, a smooth curve going through all of those points. Like that. So that's part B done. Part C says we're going to use the cumulative frequency graph to find an estimate for the interquartile range. So the interquartile range is going to be equal to the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. And we're going to use our graph to find each of those. So if there are 80 cats, the upper quartile would be the 60th value, because that's 3/4 of 80. So we're going to draw a line across at 60. And then we're going to draw a line down to find out what that cat weighs. And I reckon that's 4.1. The upper quartile is 4.1 kilograms. The lower quartile would be 20, because that's 1/4 of 80. So same method, we're going to draw a line across at 20. And then down to work out the cat's weight. And I reckon that's 2.1. So if the upper quartile is 4.1 and the lower quartile is 2.1, then the interquartile range will be 2 kilograms.